Hello everyone. If you are using an Android phone for online teaching, you should try Zodo application. To download Zodo application, go to Play Store and type Zodo. It's a very good application for online teaching, to annotate PDF and many more. Since I have downloaded this application, I can open this application. You could see a file manager here. So, whichever PDF you want to teach, or if you have textbooks in the form of PDF, go to your file manager. Here I have 10 standard English textbooks, that is Kumar Bharati. I will open this with Zodo application. You could see that Zodo application gives you a brighter view. When you start this application or you are using for a first time, you should go to the settings and you should disable turn page on tapping. In this way you have to scroll the pages in order to move on to the next page. Also, you can see there are various settings in this. Select which is applicable for you. Also, you can see top right here, there is a page icon with setting like this, and you can have vertical scrolling as well as horizontal scrolling. If you are doing like this, then it becomes vertical scrolling. Okay. An icon with a pen here gives you various tools. There are few tools listed here. You want more tools? Then go for show all tools. If you are following for annotational teaching, means you need a marking, or you want to do certain marking on any chapter, you can use two fingers for zoom in or zoom out, or scrolling the pages up and down. Also, you may use pen mark here. Clicking on here, you get the option for setting and its opacity. Select as per your wish. Click here, select pen, and now you can start marking out your sentences wherever you are teaching. This becomes convenient way for online teaching. You may also highlight any points by using the highlighter over here like this, and the sentences will be automatically detected and marked. There are various options here. You can select from color to the thickness of the line. You can also insert the image, which will give access to your gallery. You can have any kind of a photo inside it. You may place and you can resize it. You can see that I have inserted one page. Okay. Moving on next, you can do all sort of markings. Here you can have various tools here which you can access from here. If you want to insert any text, you can click on text T here and you can start typing in there itself. Let me give you an example. This is the answer. Once done, click it here. You can move this wherever you want. This becomes a convenient way of producing the answers and making the students understand. You can also rotate your screen and let the students have that in the auto rotate form. In this way, when you are sharing your PDF on Zoom, you can share maximum portion and you can mark out whichever part you are teaching. All this can be selected at once like this and can be deleted. Here you also got an option for shapes. You may select any shape here and you may mark out certain shape here. Selecting this square allow us to adjust the square or the circle or any shape that you want to. Scrolling out page is very easy. I hope this part is very clear for all of you. You may introduce lines. You can adjust these lines as per your choice. You can introduce arrow or any zigzag line also. It's a very handy tool. You can auto rotate and share your screen on Zoom application. You can remove all this and all these changes are saved in your file. You can go here again, select. You can select this marking tool and select all this annotation and you can remove it from your textbook. There is also an option for creating PDFs. You can see a plus sign here. You can click on this and go for new PDF. You can take a line book which is similar like a notebook. Give a title to this as any title that suits you. Make it as A4. Select the number of pages and click OK. You would see you get a notebook here. This notebook can be used to write down anything, to note down any fashion. Let us take an example of addition. Since I am using my finger, so obviously it is the numbers appear to be very much bigger. You may use any stylus if you wish. You can use an eraser to erase this part, or you may use text here to type out. Type anything that you feel. Also, once done, you can arrange this. You can select a type and font whatever you wish to. This becomes a very handy tool for all of you to use this online for using this Zodo for an online teaching. Thank you very much. For more annotational teaching or learning, please feel free to contact Sai Sir at 966 4080 155. You may do any correction here like this. Once done, you can readjust this. Go here, increase the font, and you will see that this appears very much clear. And increase furthermore. So this is how one can use online teaching more effectively and efficiently using a Zodo app. I hope you have understood this. Any queries, questions, do ask on this number. Thank you.